Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that comedian token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, comedian is a satirical meme coin on the Solana blockchain created as a cultural critique that questions the nature of value in the digital age by directly refreshing a famous modern artwork. Comedian a satirical art project. It transforms a conceptual artwork about arbitrary value into a functional cryptocurrency, a pure meme coin. Its value is driven by community engagement, social media trends, and speculative sentiment, not technical utility. Built on Solana, it leverages a high speed, low cost blockchain network ideal for meme token trading. Comedian token total supply is around 999.96 million and circulating supply is also 999.96 million BAN token. BAN token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Bybit, KuCoin, and other centralized exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project a pretty percent chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.